In this video, we listed the 5 best multicolor 3D printer on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is an advanced 3D printer designed for high-performance printing, featuring a Core XY construction and a maximum print size of 250 by 250 by 250 mm. It operates at impressive speeds of up to 600 mm per second, with a recommended speed of 300 mm per second, and supports a wide range of materials including PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, ASA, and PA. The printer is equipped with a 4.3-inch touchscreen for easy operation and includes smart auto-leveling technology, LeveIQ 3.0, for precise adjustments. Its unique ACE PRO system allows for simultaneous filament drying and printing, ensuring optimal conditions for various filament types. With a noise level as low as 44 dB and features like AI monitoring, belt tension monitoring, and seamless operation after power loss, the Kobra S1 Combo promises a reliable and quiet printing experience. The Anycubic Slicer Next software simplifies the printing process, making it accessible even for beginners, while the Anycubic app enables remote control and monitoring of print jobs. With its impressive specifications and user-friendly features, the Kobra S1 Combo is a versatile choice for both hobbyists and professionals in the 3D printing community. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Combo is a powerful 3D printer designed for large-scale projects, featuring an impressive print volume of 420 by 420 by 500 mm. This printer utilizes FDM technology and supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, TPU, ABS, and PETG, allowing for versatile printing options. With a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second and a precision of plus or minus 0.1 mm, it ensures high-quality results in less time. The Kobra 3 Max is equipped with advanced features such as the LeveIQ 3.0 automatic leveling system for hassle-free setup, a dual Y-axis motor for enhanced stability, and intelligent drying capabilities that improve filament performance during printing. Its ACE PRO system enables multicolor printing, allowing users to create vibrant models with ease. Additionally, the printer includes smart monitoring features, such as filament tangle detection and auto refill, ensuring a smooth and efficient printing process. The Anycubic Slicer Next software simplifies the slicing process with one-click functionality, while the Anycubic app provides remote control and real-time monitoring of print jobs. Overall, the Kobra 3 Max Combo combines innovative technology with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals looking to produce high-quality 3D prints. Number 3. Creality Hi Combo 3D Printer. The Creality Hi Combo 3D Printer is a state-of-the-art machine designed for high-speed and versatile 3D printing, featuring a robust Core XZ motion system that achieves peak speeds of 500 mm per second. With a generous build volume of 260 by 260 by 300 mm, this printer supports multicolor printing through its advanced 4-slot CFS system, allowing users to create intricate and vibrant models effortlessly. The printer is equipped with automatic leveling for enhanced accuracy and ease of use, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, PETG, ABS, and more, and offers a range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and USB. The 3.2-inch HD color touch screen provides an intuitive user interface, while features like filament detection, power loss recovery, and a built-in monitoring camera enhance the overall printing experience. Designed with a durable metal build and advanced technology, the Creality Hi Combo is a reliable choice for anyone looking to elevate their 3D printing capabilities. Number 4. Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer is a high-performance device that excels in speed and precision, featuring a maximum printing speed of up to 600 mm per second and a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, designed with a robust Core XZ motion system. It ensures stability and accuracy, achieving a printing precision of plus or minus 0.2 mm, making it ideal for detailed designs and prototypes. The printer includes a user-friendly auto-leveling system, a 4.3-inch HD color touchscreen, and an integrated tri-metal nozzle that minimizes clogging for reliable operation. With support for various filaments such as PLA, TPU, and ABS, along with compatibility with multiple file formats like STL and OBJ, the Ender 3v3 Plus is versatile enough for a range of projects. Additionally, its advanced Creality OS and connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Creality Cloud app, allow for seamless monitoring and control, making it a perfect choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking a powerful and efficient 3D printing solution. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is a high-performance LCD 3D printer designed for precision and efficiency, featuring a maximum print size of 298 by 168 by 300 mm. It boasts a 13.6-inch 7K black and white screen, enhancing print quality and detail while significantly reducing printing times. This printer is CE certified, ensuring compliance with safety and quality standards. With a voltage range of 110-220V, it is versatile for different power supplies. Although it lacks wireless connectivity, the Photon Mono M7 Max is an excellent choice for those seeking reliable and high-resolution printing capabilities. Currently available at a discounted price of BDT 112, 706.68, it offers an additional 2% off with coins, making it a compelling option for both enthusiasts and professionals in the 3D printing space.